Jay's in here somewhere.
He used to was.
83, 87, 2000.
Jay's number 30.
Is that good?
Zach Randolph's right there.
He's a good.
He used to be in here.
Here. How's that?
Oh gosh, get her.
What you think? Want some more? Oh yes, that's good ice cream.
Not anymore. There's only 3.
They used to have a display case.
Well, here. Ooh. Oh, I like that. That's good stuff. Here.
I'm not going to be able to pass the McDonald's up in another year.
Want to bet?
Brain freeze.
Is that good?
How does she not have a brain freeze?
Is that good?
Why don't you dip a pacifier? Dip a pacifier and shove it in your mouth.
Is that good? You still sucking on the...
Here, suck on in.
There you go. You're supposed to stick your tongue out.
Look at her face, man.
You're supposed to stick your tongue out, baby. Look at her. Somebody give me something.
Here, come on. Come on.
Baby.
Here. Here.
Wet rag.
Chocolate level will give her diarrhea.
Oh.
I'm serious.
Well, that'll be a good thing. Here. That good? You should squirt the water on it in the machine. Oh my goodness, look at her.
Yeah, you left and lost your place. Now she's not.
Well, I'm trying.
Poor Sadie's guts not gonna know.
Here.
She's had it now.